Ever dreamed of traveling solo but worried about safety, loneliness, or how to even start? Well, what if we told you it could be the adventure of a lifetime? Solo travel is one of the hottest trends right now. And today we're diving into why it's booming, the best destinations to explore alone, and tips to ease your mind and make your adventure unforgettable. Welcome back to Travel Tips and Recommendations presented by Jones Getaways. I'm Tommie.
Hi, and I'm Nikki.
She is. We are happily retired Army veterans, but now travel is our life.
Yep. So today we're going to talk about something we know a lot of people are curious about. Solo travel.
Solo.
So whether you're a first timer or a seasoned traveler looking for a new inspiration, we've got the details you want to hear.
Facts. You ready?
Yep.
Let's go. Solo travel is blowing up.
All right. That's right.
Everywhere we go, we see solo travelers doing their thing. And we even have clients that love to travel solo. Mm-hmm. So we asked why.
Yeah.
Here's what they told us. 1, no waiting game. They love the fact that they don't have to wait on people to travel. They can just get up and go, right?
Understood.
Yeah, we get that. Mm-hmm. I mean, how many times has a group trip started strong? Everybody, friends and family, we on it. But suddenly, when it's time to lock in,
Made the payments.
Crickets. Mm-mm. And you realize it's just you and 2 cousins you don't really know. Yes, I'm speaking from truths. All right. 2 is freedom. You're on your time at your pace. See what you want to see. Eat where you want, sleep where you want. It's your world, just you and the adventure that you chose to go upon. And then 3, you get to meet new people. When you're solo, you're more open to meeting others and other solo travelers, locals, new friends. Sometimes the best part of the journey is the people that you meet along the way.
Yeah, that's agreed. But let's talk about some of the worries, though. Yeah. Is solo travel safe? What if you get lonely while you're there? Is it expensive? The answer is, if done right, solo travel can be safe, fulfilling, and even more affordable than group travel.
And we did more research because we're about to give you some of the best solo travel destinations for this year.
Yeah. So number 1 is Bali, Indonesia. We haven't been there. Definitely want to go. It's on our bucket list. It's affordable, safe, and welcoming. They have the stunning beaches, yoga retreats, incredible temples. And because of the digital nomad scene, it's super easy to meet new people.
Yeah, digital nomads. Them are the jokers that basically work from home, don't ever have to worry about going to an office. So they get to travel and have fun in their offices all over the world.
That's right.
Yeah. All right, number 2 is Lisbon, Portugal. If you want a European vibe without breaking the bank, this is it. We've talked about Portugal before. We haven't been there yet, but it's on our list. We hear it's walkable, it's full of culture, and the seafood, if that's your thing,
it's my thing.
It's next level. The locals are friendly, and it's a hub for travelers. Plus, there's a pastry called pastel de nata that'll change your life.
Uh-oh. Well, we can't wait to get there. Can't wait to get there and try that.
Right.
So number 3 is Mexico City, Mexico. So this one might surprise some people because it's perfect for solo travel.
Especially from the U.S.
Yes. And guess who gave us the inside scoop was, of course, our traveling child, Kaylin.
Yeah.
So she toured the Frida Kahlo Museum and raved about the food scene there. The neighborhoods like Condesa and Roma are safe, stylish, and super walkable. Yeah. And the public transportation also, she said, was easy and affordable.
She said she wants to move there. Don't really believe that, but she absolutely wants to go back.
There,
yeah, she absolutely wants to go back. She really loved it, and which surprised her and it surprised us because we've heard about Mexico City, and I got a few friends from Mexico serving in the military, and they always talked about going to Mexico City.
Yeah.
Number 4 is my favorite place of all time, Machu Picchu, Peru. Hands down, it's the best place, the best experience I've ever had traveling. We have done a video on Machu Picchu, and 2 years later, it's
Go check
still
it out.
unforgettable. Yes, check it out. If adventure is calling you, Machu Picchu is it. It's one of the 7 wonders of the world and perfect for solo travelers. I mean, you can join a guided trek or explore Cusco solo before heading to the ruins.
Yeah. 5th on our list is Tokyo, Japan. It's one of the safest cities in the world. And this intel came from one of our friend's daughter, Mackenzie, who went there last year. So she said Tokyo was amazing. It's designed for solo dining. Seriously, Restaurants have single dining seating, so it's never an awkward experience.
Being by yourself.
Yeah. So if that's what you're already on anyway, being solo, that's not going to be a surprise for you. But the surprise is going to be the fact that they have something set up specifically for you to be there.
Absolutely.
You know, so you're not concerned about people staring at you while you're trying to eat, you know, in a super crowded place.
It's set up for that.
Yeah. So they also have the public transportation is really easy also, and it's easy to navigate.
Now, I'm going to throw a bonus in there.
Okay.
South Korea, Seoul, South Korea. It's huge, big city feeling, right? You can equate it to New York, right? But as far as the solo travel, as far as
Super
things
safe.
to do, and as far as safety,
Yeah.
I was stationed there for a total of 4 years in my military career, and we were there together for my last 2 years, and just the feeling of Seoul and the people and the vibe is
I love roaming around Seoul or just Korea, South Korea in itself though. It was super easy for me to get on to the subways and to know where it was. You know, you hear in the subways and where to get off. They will announce it in English. So the signs that when you're walking down the street, easy to navigate that. So
and the
definitely,
people
I
are just
agree.
so friendly.
I agree with that.
All right, so whether you're craving beach vibes, historic wonders,
right.
or city lights, there's a perfect solo destination waiting for you. Now that you've got the destinations, let's talk about how to travel smart.
Okay.
Do you have any tips for the people?
Yeah. Let me give the people some tips.
It is.
So tip number 1, pick the right stay.
Yeah.
So hostels, boutique hotels, and Airbnbs with great reviews are your best friends. Definitely check the reviews out before you go. And don't just check the room, check if the surrounding neighborhood is safe too.
Absolutely. Tip number 2, stay connected. Apps like Google Maps, Roam to Rio, and WhatsApp are lifesavers. And always share 2 things, your itinerary and your location with a friend and family member.
Yep. Tip number 3, meet people the smart way. Join some group tours, cooking classes, or even walking tours. It's a fun way to meet people without committing to a full group trip.
Agreed. And I'm going to tell you, I love a food tour. Number 4, trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. Safety first, always.
Head on a swivel.
And if your gut says nope, trust it. Unless your gut is hungry, then find a snack first. Then you can, but still trust it.
Tip number 5, wander smartly. It's okay to get lost in a new place, but be smart about it. You know, stick to well-known areas, trust your instincts, and use trusted apps to navigate. Again, keep your head on the swivel too.
And now we want to hear from you. Have you ever traveled solo, or is it something you'd want to try?
Drop your favorite solo destinations in our comments, or tell us where you'd like to go for your first solo quest.
Yeah. And as always, if you need help planning your next trip, solo or not, Jones Getaways is the one to do it for you. We'll make sure you travel, and we'll make sure you travel with confidence and excitement.
Yep. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if it helped you feel more ready to take a solo leap.
Yeah, did it? Until next time, travel smart, travel safe, and travel solo.
All right.
If it's for you.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.